Hey guys, what's up? So OnePlus launched part 1 of the 4-part documentary series of the OnePlus Nord, and yes, the name has been confirmed now. Although not a lot was revealed about the phone, we do have some bits of information about the device and a prototype of the phone. First up, we got the confirmation from Pete Lau himself that the phone won't cost over $500, which is nothing new of course, but still is a relevant piece of information. We also have a confirmation of the SoC being used in the phone, which has been revealed by Carl Pei himself in an exclusive interview to TechRadar, that the phone will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G 5G silicon, clearing all of the confusions among the fans that were confused if it will use the Snapdragon 765 or the 765G. We also know the philosophy behind the device. According to Carl, the camera is the most used feature of a phone, and so they have given the phone a flagship level camera. And I couldn't agree more. The camera is certainly one of the most used features and also the most neglected feature when it comes to mid-range devices, which generally focus on other specs such as the processor and RAM to give you a cheaper price compared to other offerings. Also, one of the most underrated features of a smartphone is the user interface. You can have the best of hardware, but if the software is trash, then the product won't be a success, and it goes the other way around as well. So there needs to be a symmetry between software and hardware, and each should complement each other. And I think we can all agree that OxygenOS is one of the most loved skins in the Android world. It's clean, it's fast, it's balanced in terms of the features. And while it won't give you as many features as say One UI, but it's certainly better than stock Android with just the right features to make it intuitive to use. It is one of the reasons there is so much interest in the OnePlus Nord. The last but not the least is quality. OnePlus says that they haven't compromised on the quality of this handset in order to give you that price point. The phone has been put under the same set of tests which the flagships go through, so you won't be disappointed by the quality either. Coming back to the documentary, OnePlus gave us a glimpse of one of the prototypes of the phone with a dual camera setup on the front inside a pill-shaped cutout at the top left corner. It is said to house a 32-megapixel main camera along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. On the bottom of the device, we have the speaker grill on the right of the USB Type-C port. We may have the SIM tray on the left of the USB port. Sadly, we don't see a headphone jack on this prototype, indicating we might not have it on the OnePlus Nord as well. We also have a look at the back of the device where we see a triple camera setup in an inverted L shape, which to be honest doesn't appeal to me and didn't appeal to the OnePlus team either, as can be seen in the video. Hopefully the final design would be much better. Also, according to the recent rumors, the OnePlus Nord will have a quad camera setup at the back. As far as the availability is concerned, OnePlus will release the second part of the documentary on the 7th of July, and given it is a 4-part documentary, the final part should be released on the 21st, and that leaves us with the 4th week of July as a tentative launch date instead of the previously rumored 10th of July, which is kind of stretching it if you ask me. Also, OnePlus had scheduled a pre-booking sale for 100 devices in some countries today, and there will be 2 more pre-booking sales for 900 units on next Wednesday and more the following Wednesday, which would be the 15th of July. If you pre-book the device now, you'll get some Nord merchandise and stickers along with a special gift apart from the phone in a special packaging. There is no word on the date of the Indian pre-booking sale, but it will happen on Amazon. It's fun to see what goes on behind the scenes of launching a phone, and I am eagerly waiting for the next part. That's it for this video. Do let me know what do you think about this down in the comments. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.